Bloomberg Audio Studios. Podcasts, radio, news.
The Stock Movers Report, your roundup of companies making moves in the stock market, harnessing the power of Bloomberg data.
It's a podcast, Stock Movers. Alexis Christophorus. Alexis, what do you have?
We got to start with ASML, the Dutch-based company that makes chip equipment. They have this sort of cutting-edge machine that is helping all sorts of companies like Taiwan Semiconductor and Intel. So ASML was up as much as 8%. It's pulled back a little bit. It's up about 4.5% now. But it did soar to a record high. And here's the deal. Orders in the fourth quarter blew out expectations. They were at a record high. And this is sort of just, again, fueling the talk about the AI boom and that, you know what, maybe there's something here and we're going to start seeing some money after all this investment. So sort of, gave another boost to the AI trade. And that's what we're seeing today.
And I'd also barrel on, I don't know if you're following, I don't want to take your thunder away, but Texas Instruments, I think, sort of followed on from
it
that.
Did. I didn't put that in here as one of the other stocks, but you're absolutely right. Yeah, it's all the boats are rising here in AI related.
That was my tech chat for the day.
That's a good one. Texas Instruments out of nowhere.
I got to go back and read about Belichick. Continue, please.
All right, we've got Seagate though. That's up more than 8% right now. This is a computer hardware and storage company. Second quarter results beat expectations. And of course, it's all about what have you done for me lately? What's going to happen in the future? It gave a positive outlook. So I actually had to take a double take as I looked at where this stock was 1 year return. Seagate is up 270% in the past year.
Another, what I would call kind of an old-time tech name.
When you're in the triple leveraged all cash, I'm not aware of this.
Yep. Fremont, California, 30,000 employees at Seagate.
Yeah, and analysts are saying that the demand for mass storage solutions, they say it's a long-term structural shift. Yeah, it's not a short-term spike there.
I just bought a new toy at home, and it's just the game now. You just do more and more and more of this silly storage stuff.
Right. And so as a result, you're seeing, NVIDIA, Google, Amazon, this sort of sustained infrastructure boom, helping the whole entire group. All right, we got to forget tech for a moment, although maybe you could argue this is a little bit of a tech company. Starbucks.
Double short mocha. Go.
There you go. Coming your way. We'll get it right away. Up 7% here pre-market. 1 year return here, quite a different story from Seagate, down 4.6%. It's been struggling. We know it. They have a new CEO, Brian Niccol, came over from Chipotle. And it looks like the turnaround efforts are starting to pay off. So for the first time in 2 years, traffic rose at Starbucks, up 4% in the latest quarter. I mean, have you seen that? Have you gone into a Starbucks lately and seen the changes?
I have.
What is it?
I have. So I go to the one, Route 35 in Wall Township, New Jersey. Great kids in there, fully staffed.
Love it.
Great service. They write little messages like they used to on your cup. But the line, what I've noticed is the line for the drive-thru, even in good weather, is 20 deep all day. Ooh. And then you walk into the store and there aren't that many people. But it's changed how people get their coffee. And I think they want more people coming into the store.
I'm looking at the financial statement, and I'm sorry, it's an asleep statement where they're doing a massive restructure. Mm-hmm. I mean, we know that.
Yeah.
But the answer is, Paul, from where you sit, they've got to find profit, which is just raise the price. How much would you pay for the triple Sambuca?
Triple Sambuca? Ooh, I'm on the floor.
Double short mocha, $5.60.
Are you kidding?
So where's your limit on that?
I go Saturdays.
Oh,
come on. I'm out doing my errands. That's it.
Stop. It's like a pack of cigarettes. There's a point where it's going to kill you. No pun intended.
Yep.
At $5.60, do you say I'm never paying over $6?
No.
Or can you go to $7?
No, it's an experience. Starbucks for me is an experience for me. So
you're pricing elastic $7 for a triple Sambuca?
Yeah, but what the kids are doing, they go in there and you have to conjugate what they order. It takes them 5 minutes to order it.
You're talking to my daughter, the
and it's
middle
like
child?
$10, $11 for these things. So, but again, I think it's more than just the product. I think and that's what they want. That's what Starbucks wants.
The Starbucks on Sunset Boulevard, they play music when she walks in the door 7 days a week.
So happy to see her.
I know.
Quick note on me, I make my coffee at home, and if I do go into a Dunkin' or a Starbucks, which is rare, I walk in, I never drive through, because you're out faster.
Yes, absolutely.
Here you go. Absolutely.
The Stock Movers Report from Bloomberg Radio. Check back with us throughout the day for the latest roundup of companies making news on Wall Street. And for the latest market-moving headlines, listen to Bloomberg Radio live. Catch us on YouTube, Bloomberg.com, and on Apple CarPlay and Android Auto with the Bloomberg Business app.